Hi viewers, welcome to Rasavin's Wife. Today I'm going to make pav bhaji. I've got the fresh pav, Britannia brand. So I have brought that. Now 3 potatoes I have taken, medium size potato. Beetroot. Normally beetroot is not added, but I add whatever vegetables I'm having at home. It is up to you to choose the vegetables. Normally beans, carrot, cauliflower, potato, onion, all these things are added. Green peas, etc. Here I have taken quarter cup of green peas. You need lime, 3 tomatoes, 1 capsicum, 1 carrot. I've got few beans. Then 5-6 ivy gourd thinly I have taken. Small piece of loki gourd, that's also I have taken. For garnishing you need coriander leaves and chopped onion. The main ingredient, pav bhaji masala, red chili powder, turmeric powder and salt you need. Then butter and oil. So these are the ingredients for making pav bhaji. Now I'll chop all these vegetables and come back to you. I've cut the vegetables. Now this is 2.5 cup vegetable and potato. 2 medium sized potato I have taken because the vegetables are more, so I have reduced the quantity of potato. Then tomato I have chopped, capsicum I have chopped, onion also. Onion 2 medium size I have taken. 1 tablespoon of 3G paste, that is ginger, garlic and green chili paste. Now we'll put 2 teaspoons of oil, two teaspoons of butter, and we'll put the 3G paste. If you want, you can add little cumin seeds. Now we'll add the onion. Saute the onion till it is translucent. Normally what the people do is they cook the vegetables with turmeric powder, salt in the pressure cooker for 4 to 5 whistles and mash it. Then they add it to the tomato onion paste. But I make it in a different way. Once I made like that and my son liked it very much. Since then I am using this method. Saute the onion, then add the tomatoes, cook them till it is mushy, then add the vegetables and saute them for half an hour. You have to be very patient. If you don't want to opt this option, you can cook the vegetables in pressure cooker and add to the tomato onion paste. It's up to you, but I do this way because after sauteing the vegetable it enhances the taste of the pav bhaji, so I opt for that option. Now this has become translucent, and now we'll add the tomatoes in it. Give a good mix and cook this till it is mushy. The tomatoes are cooked nicely. Now we will add the vegetables in it. Give a good mix. The kadai is small. I will change the kadai because we will not be able to stir it properly. At this stage I will add another 2 teaspoons of butter in this. So totally we have used 4 teaspoons of butter, 2 teaspoons of oil, now we will saute this for half an hour, the entire stuff. Then we will shift to the cooker for cooking the same. Now at this stage we can add salt also, which will help in sauteing the vegetables faster. Add a little salt while sauteing the onion and tomato. 1 teaspoon of salt goes in. Totally I have added 1.5 teaspoon. Later on we can check and then add accordingly. The heat is on medium high. Keep on stirring this, otherwise it is likely to get stick to the bottom of the kadai. Now this is after 10 minutes. Just before 5 minutes, you add the masalas in it and saute. Suppose if you are cooking for 30 minutes, 25 minutes, after sauteing the same for 25 minutes, you add the masalas. Or if you don't want to cook it for half an hour, it's okay, no problem. After 10-15 minutes also you can add the masalas, cook for 5 minutes, then transfer it to the cooker. And while adding water, don't add the water, cold water or the normal water, add hot water. In 25th minute, I am adding the pav bhaji masala, red chili powder and the turmeric powder. Give a good mix. Here I have kept water for heating. Oh, the nice aroma of pav bhaji masala is coming out because it's a homemade one, that's why. And we will transfer this into the cooker. Check for salt and add accordingly. I have transferred the vegetable in the cooker and added 4 cups of hot water. I had kept 5 cups of water, 1 cup is remaining here, and salt 1 teaspoon I have added, so totally 2.5 teaspoon salt I have added. Now for the detailed quantity of the ingredients, see the description box and the link for the pav bhaji masala made at home, that is also I am giving it in the description box. Bring this to boil, then cover the cooker and in medium heat 4 to 5 whistles, let it come, then switch off the gas. Perfect, the masalas and the salt is perfect. After cooking the same and mashing the vegetables, if need be, just add hot water, don't add the normal water. This has come to a boil. Now we'll close the cooker. I'll keep the heat in medium. This is cooked nicely. Now we will mash it with the potato masher. After mashing the vegetables, this is the consistency of the pav bhaji. Now we can serve it. If you want to reduce the water content, you can just cook for some time so that the water will get reduced. But this is the right consistency for us. Now I have got a plate here, typically served in this plate. The misal pav bhaji and all is served in this plate. Applied little butter on the tawa. Now here also. Like this you make the pav. So our pav is also ready to serve. While serving the pav bhaji, some people also put onion. They will put butter, then they will put onion and little chili powder and coriander leaves and put little water and mix it in the tawa, and then the pav is sauteed in that and served along with bhaji. Butter, onion, chili powder, coriander leaves. Just saute this. Collect. Apply butter. Blob of butter on top of the bhaji, coriander leaves, lime. Now our pav bhaji is ready to serve. If you want, you can sprinkle little chopped onion also. Serve hot this pav bhaji. Thank you so much for watching the video. Subscribe to my channel, like, share and comment. Eat healthy, stay healthy. See you soon with another interesting recipe. Till then, bye bye.